Damodar. We are Texas Sail Project, and we've been nominated by Community Beer Co. in the ALS Challenge, and so we've accepted that. And we're also going to be donating to the cause as well. So, with that said, we'd like to nominate several other people. First of all, we'd like to ask the Unicorn over at Austin Beer Works to partake, as well as our good friend Chef Lenny McNabb of the Next Food Network Star, actually the winner of the Next Food Network Star. And we'd also like to see the guys at the Katy Trail Ice House get involved as well. So cheers.
You're up.
Yeehaw!
All right.
Nice.